9 incredible drinks to repair nerve damage. 9 simple drinks that may help support nerve health, reduce tingling and numbness, and improve how your body feels over time, especially if you're over 60. If you've been dealing with nerve pain, tingling, numbness, or even muscle weakness, you already know how difficult nerve damage can be. For many people, nerve problems develop slowly, quietly, often as we get older. Nerve damage happens when the signals between your brain and body don't travel the way they should. This can be linked to things like injury, diabetes, infections, or long-term pressure on the nerves, and the result can affect daily life more than most people expect. The good news is this: while medical care is important, there are also natural ways to support your body's healing process. Some everyday drinks contain nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation, protect nerve cells, and support overall nerve health. In this video, we'll walk through 9 drinks that can help support nerve function and comfort over time. Whether you're trying to ease nerve-related symptoms or simply want to take better care of your nervous system as you age, this is for you. So take a moment, get comfortable, and let's begin with the first drink that may help support nerve health. 1. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key factors that contribute to nerve damage. The powerful antioxidants in green tea help protect nerve cells from injury caused by free radicals, which can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, green tea has been shown to support brain function by improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain and nervous system. This improved circulation can help support the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Regular consumption of green tea, about 2 to 3 cups daily, can promote overall nerve health and may contribute to the recovery of nerve function over time. Green tea's neuroprotective properties make it an excellent choice for those looking to support their nervous system naturally. 2. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a powerful drink that harnesses the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are critical in preventing and repairing nerve damage. By reducing inflammation, curcumin can help relieve pain and support the healing of damaged nerves. Golden milk, typically made with turmeric and milk, often plant-based, along with black pepper and other spices, is a comforting and nourishing way to incorporate turmeric into your diet. The addition of black pepper is essential because it contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. Regular consumption of turmeric golden milk, especially before bed, can provide calming effects and support nerve health. This ancient remedy is not only delicious but also a potent tool for nerve repair and overall well-being. 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is an excellent drink for supporting nerve health, primarily due to its high nitrate content. The nitrates in beetroot juice are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues, including nerves. Enhanced circulation is crucial for the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves because it ensures these areas receive the nutrients and oxygen needed for healing. Additionally, beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants such as betalains, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of beetroot juice can also help reduce nerve pain and discomfort. For the best results, it is recommended to consume freshly pressed beetroot juice because it retains the highest levels of nutrients. Incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine can be a natural and effective way to promote nerve repair and maintain overall nerve health. 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is a delicious and potent drink for supporting nerve health because of the high antioxidant content of blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with powerful neuroprotective properties. These antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. By lowering oxidative stress, blueberries can help preserve nerve function and support the repair of damaged nerves. In addition to their antioxidant benefits, blueberries may also support cognitive function and overall brain health, further benefiting the nervous system. To maximize the benefits, blend blueberries with other nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds, which add vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that support nerve health. Regularly enjoying a blueberry smoothie can be a tasty and effective way to nourish your nerves and support a repair over time. 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing beverage that offers multiple benefits for nerve health. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile can help reduce nerve pain and inflammation, which are common issues with nerve damage. The active compounds in chamomile, such as apigenin, have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, which can further help manage nerve pain and discomfort. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can improve sleep quality, which is essential for the body's natural healing processes, including nerve repair. Additionally, chamomile's anti-inflammatory effects may help reduce swelling and pressure on nerves, creating a more comfortable environment for healing. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can provide gentle but effective support for nerve health, making it a strong option for those dealing with nerve damage or aiming to help prevent it. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense drink that can provide strong support for nerve health, largely because it contains collagen, amino acids, and minerals. Collagen is important for supporting the repair and maintenance of connective tissues, including structures that help protect and support nerves. The amino acids found in bone broth, such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, help support tissue repair and rebuilding, and they may also help reduce inflammation, which can ease nerve-related pain and create a better environment for healing. Bone broth also provides minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support overall nervous system function. Homemade bone broth can be especially beneficial because it often retains more nutrients. Drinking bone broth regularly can give your body key building blocks that support nerve repair and long-term nerve health. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a powerful drink that supports nerve health through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerols and shogols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. This can be especially helpful for people dealing with nerve pain or neuropathy, because lowering inflammation may ease discomfort and support the healing process. Ginger tea may also support blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves and can promote repair and regeneration over time. Ginger's warming effect can provide additional comfort for nerve-related discomfort. To enhance the benefits, ginger tea can be combined with lemon or honey, which add extra antioxidants and soothing effects. Regular consumption of ginger tea can be a natural and effective way to support nerve health, reduce pain, and promote overall well-being. 8. Dark chocolate cocoa. Dark chocolate cocoa is a delicious and beneficial drink for nerve health thanks to its high flavonoid content. Flavonoids, especially those found in dark chocolate and cocoa, have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that help protect nerve cells from damage and support repair. These compounds can help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to nerve damage and neurodegenerative disease. Dark chocolate cocoa may also support brain function by improving blood flow to the brain and nervous system, which is important for maintaining healthy nerves. For the best results, choose cocoa or dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, since higher cacao content generally means more flavonoids and fewer added ingredients. Enjoying a cup of dark chocolate cocoa can be a comforting way to support your nervous system, help protect against nerve damage, and promote overall nerve health. 9. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a hydrating drink that can support nerve health in several ways. Aloe vera contains vitamins including B1, B2, B6, and B12, which are important for healthy nerve function and may support nerve repair. These B vitamins play a key role in the nervous system by supporting neurotransmitter production and helping maintain the myelin sheath, which protects nerves and helps signals travel properly. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation and swelling around irritated nerves, creating a better environment for healing. In addition, aloe vera is known for its soothing effects in the body, which may help ease discomfort. For the best results, choose organic, pure aloe vera juice without added sugar or artificial ingredients. Adding aloe vera juice to your daily routine can help support nerve repair and overall nerve health. Summary. In this video, we explored 9 drinks that can support nerve repair and overall nerve health. We explained how each one, packed with key nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, can help protect nerve cells, reduce inflammation, and support regeneration. From green tea's antioxidants to turmeric golden milk's curcumin, each drink offers unique benefits. We also covered how beetroot juice supports blood flow and oxygen delivery, how blueberry smoothies provide antioxidant-rich support, and how chamomile tea can help with relaxation and sleep, both of which support the body's healing process. Bone broth provides important nutrients, ginger tea supports circulation and comfort, dark chocolate cocoa offers flavonoids that support the nervous system, and aloe vera juice provides vitamins that support nerve function. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Senior Meal Coach for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent after 60. Remember this, aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right daily habits, you can wake up every morning feeling stronger. The choice is yours. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.